In this video, I will show you how to easily make your first $100 with affiliate marketing by using AI to do most of the work. I will also reveal the 12 most profitable affiliate marketing niches, how to easily find high converting affiliate offers that pay high commissions, the best free and cheap traffic source that will bring you passive income for years, and so much more. What is affiliate marketing and how do you make money online with it? Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product with a unique link and earn a commission every time someone clicks the link and purchases. It's the fastest and easiest way to make money online because you don't need to create your own product or handle customer service. Now let me help you make your first $100 in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Find an affiliate program that pays you the highest commission. By picking an affiliate program that pays you the highest commission, you can make more money with fewer sales. Find an affiliate program that pays $100 or close to it so you can make $100 quickly with just a few sales. How do you easily find high converting affiliate offers that pay high commissions? Go to clickbank.com and check out their top offers. Now sort by gravity to find the offers with the most sales. The offers with the most sales are usually in health and fitness because it's a profitable niche. Pick an offer that interests you that pays an average dollar per conversion close to $100 or more. Now get your unique affiliate link to start making money online. If you know nothing about this niche, it's fine for now, as your goal is to just make your first $100 with AI doing most of the work. But once you make your first $100, I recommend choosing a profitable niche that you have interest, knowledge, and experience in. It'll be easier to make money if you choose something you have knowledge in. To make it easy for you, here are 12 profitable niches for affiliate marketing: health, wealth, dating, cooking, pets, photography, technology, fashion, beauty and makeup, travel, home and garden, parenting. Step number 2. Use AI to create content that attracts your target audience. Good news if you're a beginner. Whether you're using YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok to promote your affiliate links, you don't need an existing audience to make money online. Even with 0 subscribers or followers, you can get views if your content is good and on a topic a lot of people are interested in. These platforms are always looking for more valuable content to keep their users addicted to their platform so they can continue to make money. But which platform is best for affiliate marketing? I prefer YouTube because you can promote multiple affiliate links in your YouTube video's description. Another reason I prefer YouTube is because your videos can show up on Google search and YouTube search, as Google and YouTube are owned by the same company. And your videos can continue to get views for years, resulting in passive income. You also don't have to show your face or use your own voice if you don't want to. I will explain exactly how later in this video. But before you can create content to attract an audience that would be interested in your affiliate offer, you want to maximize the potential views you get. How? By finding a successful video idea, one that got 100,000 views or more. Here's how. Use YouTube search to search keywords related to your affiliate offer and find channels on that niche. Sort their videos by most views and look for videos with 100,000 views or more on a relevant topic. Once you choose a popular video, search YouTube with its title to find at least 5 other popular videos on the same video idea. Now it's time to create an awesome video using AI on that successful video idea. Here's how. Copy the transcript for each video. Use ChatGPT to find the main sections of each video. Ask ChatGPT to write a few paragraphs for each section. Copy the script to a Google Doc. You're almost done. Now you need an intro for your video. Why? A lot of viewers leave the video in the first 30 seconds and this will reduce the views you get. So what do? Start your script by repeating the title to confirm to the viewer that what they clicked on is what they're getting. Here's how. In this video, I will show you how to, and then you insert your title. For example, I started this video with, in this video, I will show you how to easily make your first $100 with affiliate marketing by using AI to do most of the work. I modified my title a little bit for the intro, which is fine. You don't have to repeat your title word for word. Now that you finished your script, you now need a voiceover, visuals, and then edit your video. This usually takes hours, but you can use AI to do all the work for you in 5 minutes. How? By using InVideo AI script to video feature. Just paste your script and InVideo AI will add a voiceover and create the visuals for you. To increase the views you get, you need to increase retention, meaning you need to get your viewers to watch more of your video before they leave. This is so that YouTube's algorithm sees your video as a valuable video to the viewer and promotes it more. Here are 2 ways you can increase your retention. Have content viewers will enjoy, and 2, fast pacing. If you followed the steps explained in this video, you should have content viewers will enjoy. For fast pacing, ask InVideo AI to change the stock video every 5 seconds. Now download the video. But before you can upload the video and have people watch it, get views and make money, you need to first get their attention, stop them from scrolling, and then create enough interest to click your video. How? With a good topic, title, and thumbnail. A good topic is one that regularly gets 100,000 views or more on different channels in your niche. You already finished this step. The goal of your title and thumbnail is to make people quickly understand what your video is about and create curiosity. To make people quickly understand what your video is about, use short titles and simple thumbnails. Study the titles and thumbnails of videos that got 100,000 views or more on the same video idea and come up with something similar. You can create thumbnails for free using Canva. Upload the video to YouTube. Repeat these steps to make at least 10 videos. Step number 3. Earn affiliate commissions. Where do you promote your unique affiliate link on your YouTube channel to make your first $100? Video description, as a pinned comment, bio, and community tab. Make sure you mention the product in your video and let your viewers know that the link is in the description. And make sure your affiliate link is at the top of your description, in the first line, so your viewers do not miss it.